Hi everyone, my name is Chris Rogers. I'm a business development manager on the AWS Global Storage team. I'm here to talk to you about how AWS Storage Gateway's Tape Gateway can save you from the hassle and expense of managing backups and archives using physical tapes. Protecting data is fundamental for all businesses, and it's critical to ensure business continuity. However, I talk to many organizations that still rely on out-of-date backup technologies. Old backup systems cost a lot of money and require significant time and resources to keep them running. Tape Gateway provides a drop-in replacement to physical tape infrastructure, allowing you to back up data as virtual tapes to AWS. The best part is that you can do this without changing your current backup workflows or applications. Tape Gateway supports a wide variety of backup applications from vendors such as Veritas, Commvault, Veeam, Dell EMC, and others. So it's easy to seamlessly transition your backups off of physical tapes and into AWS. So how does Tape Gateway work? Well, you connect your existing backup application to a Tape Gateway deployed on a virtual machine or hardware appliance that sits in your data center. Tape Gateway then compresses, encrypts, and moves your data to a virtual tape library stored in Amazon S3. Once your virtual tapes are in S3, you can archive them to longer-term storage options like Amazon S3 Glacier or Amazon S3 Glacier Deep Archive. Amazon S3 Glacier is best for active archives, data that you may need to access from time to time, maybe once per month, for example. It typically takes 3 to 5 hours to retrieve tapes archived in S3 Glacier. S3 Glacier Deep Archive is best suited for long-term data retention and digital preservation. This is best for data that you need to preserve but may not need to access more than, say, once per year, and possibly even less than that. With S3 Glacier Deep Archive, retrieval times typically take about 12 hours. So what are the benefits of using Tape Gateway to store virtual tapes in AWS compared to storing tapes off-site? There are several reasons to consider Tape Gateway. First, all virtual tapes stored in S3 Glacier Deep Archive are replicated and stored across at least 3 geographically dispersed availability zones, protected by 11 nines of durability. Second, AWS performs regular error checks to confirm your data is available to be read by your application when you need it. Third, all tapes stored in S3 Glacier Deep Archive are protected by S3 server-side encryption, using either default keys or your own AWS Key Management Service keys. In addition, you also avoid the physical security risk associated with tracking and monitoring the location and the condition of physical tapes. Fourth, restoring data from degraded or broken tapes that have been stored off-site can be frustrating and can result in data loss. With Tape Gateway, you always get the right data. And finally, you can save a lot of money in monthly storage costs. Storing your data in S3 Glacier Deep Archive costs only $1 per terabyte per month in most AWS regions. That's $12 per year to store 1 terabyte of data. So to learn more about how you can start using Tape Gateway today for your backup and archival needs, visit aws.amazon.com/storagegateway/VTL. Thanks very much for watching.